Okay, so I've drawn my graphs. I've got my frequency tables and my relative frequencies. So the next thing I need to do is work out some averages. So in 1.10 multivariate stats, we would just use NZ-Grapher to get these numbers. But in Elements of Chance, we want to maybe use our Google Sheets. So when I want to type in a formula, the first thing I must remember to do is press equals. So in here, I'm going to press equals. Now to work out the mean is an average. So I type in average and I want to work out what the average score is on my outcome. So I'm going to highlight all my scores, and when I press that, it's going to work out that my mean is about 3.6. So I'm going to reduce the number of decimal places because I don't need that many. So next I'm going to work out my median. Now my median, I type in exactly what I want, which is median. I'm going to do that and I'm going to highlight my numbers. I'm going to remember to put a closed bracket, and I've worked out that my median is 4. So my mode. Now I don't really need to calculate my mode because I can see it quite clearly from my frequency graph up here that my mode is 4, but I'm going to calculate it and there it is. Now my lower quartile, this is a little bit different. So I type in quartile, I open a bracket, and the first thing I need to do is I need to highlight all my data. Then I need to put a comma, and to work out the lower quartile, I put a 1. So my lower quartile is 3, and when I work out my quartile for my upper quartile, when I work out my upper quartile, I have to put a comma 3. Oops, that didn't quite work. Can you see what I didn't do? I didn't put the equals in. Okay, so therefore my formula didn't work. Okay, so I put my thing in. I'm going to highlight. Oh, actually, no, I need to undo that. Let's come out of there. And I need to undo, and there you go. So when I had typed in that, I had overwritten the value in that very first cell. So I've had to undo that. So it goes down to 61. So let me just go down to 61. So I need to put a comma 3 in for my upper quartile, and my interquartile range is my upper quartile number minus my lower quartile number, which is 1. So those are my calculations I need to do. Okay, I've got my long run relative frequency, I've got my relative frequencies. I just need to do my videos for working out the theoretical probability, and then we're done.